morning, students. Today, let us learn a new lesson. Lesson 7, Our Village, Our City. In this lesson, page 38 and 39, looking at the pictures, we have to know the differences between a city and a village based on the following points. First of all, I will tell you a difference between a village and a city. A village is a small group of settlements, while a city is a large group of settlements. A village is located in a smaller land area, while a city has a large land area. People in villages know each other by their names and faces. They talk to them directly. A city is a larger area and people can't know others directly in cities. We see the houses in villages. The houses are small, built separately with tiles. As you can see in this picture, page 38 and 39. Those who are poor build with mud and stones. In cities, we see sky-rise buildings, flats, etc. because of more population. Population means people. Now the advantage of a village is we get to eat fresh food because everybody cultivate by their own. Village people are very friendly and they have unity. This is very rare in cities. You can enjoy the real beauty of nature in a village, but not in a city. People help each other in a village, whereas in cities, this doesn't happen. In a village, the environment is fresh. That means pollution-free environment. And of course, noise-free. Now, when we talk about the dresses, village people are very simple in their dressing style compared to city people. City people wear modern style clothes. Now when we talk about means of transport. Means of transport of a village, people use bullock carts, tongas. They also use jeeps, tractors, trucks to go to other villages. Whereas in cities, they use trucks, trains, ships, etc. to carry their goods. When we talk about industries, in villages, we find few small scale industries. Whereas in cities, there are large scale industries. That means they produce things in a large quantities. Now, if we talk about facilities. Facilities in a village are not per as cities. In cities, there are many hospitals, school, malls, etc. In a city, people live a busy life. Village people live their life happily. Now, when you look at this picture, you can see all these different things which I have told you now. In a village, there is a primary health center. No, you can see in this picture here. So also in a city, there are many, more than one. All the facilities, we get many facilities in a cities. Even when we talk about education, there are many schools. We have a choice which school we must go. But in a village, no. We have one school and all the children, we have to go to that school. And if village children want to go to good schools, then they have to come to city to get good education. Did you understand, my dear students? Okay. Now, this is enough for today. Looking at the picture, you will know the difference between a city and a village based on the following points. I explained you the following points: houses, dress, means of transport, industry, facilities. Apart from this, list the things you have seen in the city and a village. Now you make few points what you have seen in this picture in a village and in a city. This is the homework for you. Thank you.